It is 1 upon root 7 minus root 6. Okay. Now children, 1 upon root 7 minus root 6. To rationalize this, it should be multiplied and divided by
root 7 plus root 6.
Root 7
root
plus root
7
6.
plus root 6.
Root 7 plus root 6.
If it is minus, it will be multiplied and divided by plus sign. If it is plus, it will be multiplied and divided by minus. है ना? So in the numerator, 1 into root 7 plus root 6 makes it root 7 plus root 6. बच्चा. Denominator, a minus b, a plus b. What does it become?
A square minus
A
B
square minus
B square.
A square minus b square.
I'm equal to square root 7 plus square root
Minus b
6
square.
upon 7 plus 6.
Yes. Now what is root 7 square?
I'm 7.
7.
And root 6 square?
I'm minus 6.
6.
And what is 7 minus 6? 1.
I'm 1.
Children, you may put it like this. Arrow and then this. 1. So root 7 plus root 6 upon 1 becomes what?
Ma'am, root 7 plus root 6.
So this is going to be your answer. Okay? One upon root 6 minus root 7. So children,
Multiply
this
by
one-
root 6 plus root
6
7.
plus root 7.
Yes. Since it is minus, we shall multiply and divide by
Root 6 plus root 7.
we shall multiply and divide by plus sign. Okay. So now in the numerator, 1 into root 6 plus root 7 remains as it is. In the denominator, beta, a minus b, a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square.
B square.
So we get root 6 square minus root 7 square. Okay. Numerator as it is. Now root 6 square is 6.
6.
And root 7 square is
7. 7.
and
Mama.
what is 6 and 6 minus 7?
1.
What is 6?
Ma'am, minus.
Minus
I'm
1.
minus 1.
But children, do we need answer with the negative sign in the denominator? No, we don't. So what are we going to do with this negative sign? It has to be shifted in the numerator.
Upper numerator.
Ma'am, we will multiply it by minus.
We don't have to show multiply and divide by minus 1. We simply shift in the numerator and make sure you put a bracket. So this is your answer. If you want to put it in simpler form, you may write it like this. No, this is your answer. Let it be like this. There is no need to change it. I guess it's perfectly fine. Okay. So minus and let the bracket be there. This is your answer. Okay. Make it plus. Then what will happen? Then we will multiply.
Minus.
Yes, we will multiply and divide by minus. Okay. Let us see what happens next. So in the numerator, we have root 6 minus root 7.
Yes, ma'am.
And in the denominator, we have a plus b, a minus b. What does it become?
Root 6 square minus root 7 square.
Okay. Now it is root 6 minus root 7 in the numerator. Denominator, we have 6 minus 7. Again, 6 minus 7 is what?
Minus 1.
And as we cannot leave it in negative denominator, so we will shift the negative sign in the numerator and make sure, children, that the bracket is there. So either you leave this as your answer, or if you wish to open the bracket, you can do so. Minus root 6 and minus minus will become
Plus.
plus. And then you can further modify it. You can write the term positive term first and negative term later. So all these three are correct answer. 1, 2, 3. You can put your answer in any of these three forms. Okay, beta? Any of these three forms.
Ma'am, third answer.
Now I'm raising the difficulty level. It is 5 upon root 3 minus 5, root 5. So far, we have discussed the question in which we had 1 in the numerator. But now we are having 5. So what are we going to do? We don't have to bother ourselves with the numerator. Our purpose is to look at the denominator. It is root 3 minus root 5. So we'll be multiplied and
Multiply and
divided
divide
by
by root
Ma'am,
3
root 3 plus root 5.
very good. Root 3 plus root 5. Okay. So far we were dealing with number 1. So the same answer was coming. Now we have 5 here.
Ma'am,
Now
5
we have
plus 5
yes.
root.
Ma'am, 5 root 3 plus 5 root 5.
Ma'am, 5 root 3 plus 5 root 5.
You are right, beta. But I would suggest you there is no point opening the bracket. So let it be like this. We need not open the bracket at all.
And we took 5 as common.
Yes, 5 into, suppose you have 5 into x plus y. So you are leaving it like this only rather than opening the bracket. Let it be like this. Okay. Now in the denominator, children, a square minus b square. Okay. Numerator as it is. Now what is root 3 square?
3.
3.
Ma'am, 3.
And 5 square? 5.
5
So what is 3 minus 5 now?
minus 2.
Minus 2.
Ma'am, minus
2.
As we cannot leave the negative sign in the denominator, we will shift it upwards.
Minus 5.
So it will become minus 5 in the bracket root 3 plus root 5 divided by 2.
2.
Okay, that's it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Let us take up last part. Sorry. 1 upon 7 plus 3 root 2. What are we going to do? We are focused on the denominator. 7 plus 3 root 2. It should be multiplied and divided by
7 minus 3 root 2.
7 minus 3 root 2.
yes. 7 minus 3 root 2 and 7 minus 3 root 2. Now in the numerator, beta, in the numerator, it is 1 into 7 minus 3 root 2. So it will remain the same.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
in the denominator, again the same thing.
And
A
we can
plus
multiply
B,
square
A
root 2 by
minus B. Wait, beta. So A square minus B square. B is 3 root 2. Okay, collectively. So now, what is 7 square?
49.
Children, what is
49.
minus. Let us just discuss what should be 3 root 2 square. 3 root 2 square. Does it mean 3 root 2 into 3 root 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And what
Ma'am,
is 3 into
9.
9?
9 root 2.
And
Ma'am,
when
9
we
root
have
2. Ma'am, root
no,
2 and root 2 will be
no
2.
beta, not yes.
Root
Where
2 into
we have 2 root 2s. Root 2 into root 2 becomes
ma'am,
2.
2.
So, ma'am, 9 into 2.
so 9 is
Ma'am, 80.
80.
18.
okay, beta. So 14 minus 18. So what is the answer?
31.
Okay. Now I would like to tell you one trick to solve this orally. What is the square of 3, children?
Ma'am, 9.
9.
9. And what is the square of root 2?
2.
2.
2. Root 2. 2. Root 2 का square is 2. So 9
Yes, sir.
into 2 gives you 18. So that is how you can do it orally without using pen and paper. Okay.